Welcome everyone. Today we are going to discuss the important questions and answers from the lesson Deep Water, that is from our book Flamingo, and this lesson is written by William Douglas. Let us see what type of important questions are asked from this lesson. See, basically three types of questions from literature section is asked in your board exams. First one is multiple choice questions, and then second one is short answer type question, and the third one is long answer type question. So multiple choice questions obviously will be of 1 mark each, and you will be given 4 options and you'll have to choose the most appropriate one. उसमें से जो सबसे ज़्यादा appropriate answer होगा आपको वो choose करना पड़ेगा. Second type of question which you will have to answer in exams will be short answer type questions, that will be of either 2 or 3 marks, and you will have to answer it in 30 to 40 words. Then comes third type, that is long answer type questions, और वो होगा 5 mark का, and you will have to answer that in 100 to 120 words. So one by one we'll be learning about all of them कि किस तरह के questions आते हैं, but here we are skipping MCQs because this will practice in some other video. So let us move forward. So first what we have in front of us is short answer type questions, और वो क्या होते हैं, word limit is 30 to 40 words और marks हैं 2 to 3 marks. Okay, so let us see. So first question which is here, which is frequently asked in board exams from this lesson is, why did Douglas prefer to go to YMCA swimming pool to learn swimming? Why did Douglas go to YMCA swimming pool? So what answer to this question will be, what probable answer to this question for board exam will be that first important point is that YMCA pool was considered to be safe. Okay, and why it was safe? It was safe because it was just 2-3 feet deep at the shallow end and 9 feet at the deep end. And that slope also, this slope from shallow end to deep end, that also was gradual, means वो धीरे धीरे slope जाता था, quick slope नहीं था वहाँ पे. For this also it was very safe to go to this swimming pool. And third thing also was here, तीसरा reason ये था कि डॉगलस की mother, she told that Yakima river is treacherous. It is a dangerous river, and this river had claimed a few lives also. A few people had died in that river while swimming. So first question का answer होगा ये. Okay, let us see question number 2. Why did William Douglas develop aversion to the water, and when he was 3 or 4 years old? Okay, why did Douglas develop a type of dislike for water when he was 2 to 3 years old? ऐसा क्या हुआ था? तो answer to this question is that when he was 3 to 4 years old, he had gone to a beach in California with his father. Okay, with his father he went to a beach in California, और वहाँ पे क्या हुआ, wave swept over him and knocked him down. एक strong wave आई sea से and knocked him down, and he felt really horrified there, but the father was also watching, but father thought that the kid is enjoying it. He only laughed. The little boy was buried under water and became breathless. He was finding it difficult to breathe inside the wave. And because of this reason, he developed a dislike towards water. Then third type of question which is asked, the third question जो कि पूछा जाता है बोर्ड में फ्रॉम दिस लेसन इज व्हाट मिस एडवेंचर डिड विलियम डॉगलस एक्सपीरियंस एट YMCA पूल. YMCA पूल पे क्या मिस एडवेंचर डॉगलस के साथ हुआ? सो व्हाट एक्चुअली हैड हैपेंड, वन डे ही वाज अर्ली टू द पूल, वो जल्दी पहुंच गया था, एंड देयर वाज नो वन, सो ही थॉट इट बेटर टू स्टे आउट ऑफ द पूल एंड वेट फॉर अदर्स टू अराइव. Then suddenly what happens, a big boy of 18 years, he was having a very good and strong body, muscular body थी, और उसने विलियम डॉगलस को उठाया, बच्चे को उठाया और उसे पानी में फेंक दिया towards the deeper end of the pool, जो था उधर फेंक दिया, and went down 3 times and failed to come up. 3 बार डॉगलस ने पानी से बाहर आने की कोशिश की एंड ऑल द 3 times ही वॉज अनसक्सेसफुल एंड he couldn't come out of the water. He couldn't come to the surface. He was extremely terrorized and his lungs were filled with water. बहुत ज़्यादा वो डर गया था and lungs also had filled with water. His head throbbed and his legs felt paralyzed. Head throbbed just because of the pressure which he had from all around the swimming pool inside that, and even his legs felt paralyzed because he had tried hard to come out of the water and now he was not able to do it. But ultimately he was saved by the rescue team at the end. Now next question, that is number 4, and this question is, how did Douglas experience at the YMCA pool affect him? YMCA pool के misadventure के बाद Douglas की personality में क्या changes आए? So answer to this question will be that this drowning experience left him weak and trembling. Okay, he was feeling really very weak after this experience and he trembled a lot, unable to eat that night and was haunted by extreme fear for days. उस दिन वो रात को खाना भी नहीं खा पाए and he was scared of this for days, कई दिनों तक. Okay, this extreme fear was haunting him. Even slightest of exertion would upset him. थोड़ा भी अगर exertion होता था, tiring या कुछ भी काम होता था, तो it would have upset him and it made his knees wobble and his stomach sick. knees पे जब हम weak feel करते हैं, जब हम बहुत डर जाते हैं, तो हमारी knees में जो feeling आती है, he felt that feeling and he felt sick to his stomach as well. And this feeling, this terror stayed with him for years. कई सालों तक ये उनके साथ चला. Now we have question number 5, that is, why did Douglas go to Lake Wentworth in New Hampshire? So answer to this is that to test whether he still had any fear of water. Okay, जब डॉगलस ने एक एक्सपर्ट हायर किया था, he had hired one trainer he had hired, and what happened that he was trained very well by that trainer. ट्रेनर ने धीरे धीरे उन्हें एक अच्छा स्विमर बना दिया था, बट डॉगलस wanted to test कि क्या मैं actually में मेरा सारा fear, मेरा terror जा चुका था. So because of this he went to different types of water. So for this reason itself he went to Lake Wentworth. He wanted to try out swimming skills at Lake Wentworth. That is why he went there, and what he did there, he swam across the shore, found that the terror had gone. Okay, वो पूरा across the shore, एक end से दूसरी end तक उन्होंने swim किया. Then only he found that his terror of water had gone. Now comes the turn of long answer type questions, and you will have to answer them in 100 to 120 words, and marks will be either 5 or 6. So let us see what types of questions are frequently repeated in board exams from this lesson. So first question which you have in front of you is, how did Douglas try to save himself from drowning in the YMCA pool? जब YMCA pool में उन्हें फेंक दिया था उस बड़े बच्चे ने, so how did he save himself? So answer to this question you will be writing that when he was thrown, so on the way itself, before reaching to the water, he had decided कि जैसे ही मेरा पैर bottom को touch करेगा, I'll make an effort to push myself upward and will try to come up to the surface. So his feet hit the bottom of the pool. Then what he did, he summoned up all his strength and made a great spring upward, thinking he would bob to the surface like a cock. क्या सोचा डॉगलस ने, दैट आई विल पुश माई सेल्फ अप. मैं अपने फीट को स्प्रिंग की तरह यूज करके आई विल पुश माई सेल्फ अप. देन वॉट विल हैपन, दैट आई विल रीच टू द सर्फेस एंड विल बॉब लाइक अ कॉक. और एक कॉक होता है, बहुत लाइट होता है, जो पानी के सर्फेस पे स्विम करता है. तो लाइक दैट इटसेल्फ आई विल रीच टू द सर्फेस. He tried hard, but he couldn't. He tried to yell also inside the water. He tried to shout for help inside the water, but no sound came out. Okay, no sound came out of his throat. And he was feeling paralyzed underwater. Okay, and he was stiff and rigid with fear. He was extremely scared inside the water. He tried 3 times to come out of the water surface. उन्होंने 3 बार ट्राई किया और तीनों बार वो फेल हुए. इवन ही ट्राई टू फाइंड रोप्स ऑल्सो और समथिंग लाइक दिस कि वो उसे पकड़ लें, उससे हेल्प ले सके, बट ही वॉज ऑल द टाइम अनसक्सेसफुल. As he felt the tile under him, he jumped again with all his strength, failed again. Okay, जब वो third time भी करते हैं, he tried to jump, then also he failed. Stark terror, he was extremely terrified under the water, shook with fear, and finally ceased all his efforts. जब 3 बार try करने के बाद, जब he was not able to do anything, he was successively failed. So what he did, he left everything, he left trying at all, and ceased all his efforts and decided to relax as blackness swept over his brain. अभी वो उस लेवल पे पहुंच गए थे जहाँ पे उन्हें मालूम हो गया था कि now my all efforts, any of the effort from my side is not going to do anything, so it's in vain, it's completely useless to try even. So somehow he was saved by the rescue team later on, and when he came back to his senses, he found himself in the dressing room. Then next type of question which is asked, next question which is asked from this lesson is, the story Deep Water has made you realize that with determination and perseverance, one can accomplish the impossible. Write a paragraph in about 100 words on how a positive attitude and courage will aid you to achieve success in life. इस पे एक पैराग्राफ लिखना है आपको 100 words में. सो कीवर्ड्स क्या हैं इसके लिए? डॉगलस वॉज एक्सट्रीमली अफ्रेड ऑफ वाटर, बहुत ज़्यादा घबराते थे. जस्ट बिकॉज two incidents happened with him. First one, when he was 3-4 years old, he had gone to that beach in California with his father. First one was that. And the second one was that when he was learning to swim at the age of 11 or 10 at YMCA pool, when he was thrown by a young boy in the water. So this incident, this YMCA pool incident, has increased his water phobia. Okay, fear of water. It increased his fear of water. And because of this fear, what problems in his life had, that he was unable to enjoy fishing and boating trips. His friends or family members जब कभी भी जाते थे fishing पे, boating trip पे, so Douglas was always like feeling कि मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा, I'm very scared, I can't go inside the water. So because of this, he was missing many things. So after going through all these things, he decided he had to overcome his fear, and he could not do it without seeking professional help. He decided कि नहीं, मुझे अब इस डर से निकलना है. But other thing also was in his mind that without professional help, he cannot do this. So he hired a trainer. उन्होंने एक प्रोफेशनल ट्रेनर हायर किया, और उस प्रोफेशनल ट्रेनर ने इन्हें एक बहुत अच्छा स्विमर बना दिया. ही बिकेम अ गुड स्विमर, स्टिल अनसेटिस्फाइड. बट डॉगलस, व्हेन दिस ट्रेनर्स वर्क वाज ओवर, ट्रेनर जॉब वाज ओवर, स्टिल डॉगलस वाज फाइंडिंग हिमसेल्फ टू बी अनसेटिस्फाइड. और वो कहते हैं कि द जॉब ऑफ द ट्यूटर वॉज ओवर बट माई वर्क वॉज नॉट ओवर. मेरा काम खत्म नहीं हुआ था. सो ही वॉन्टेड टू टेस्ट हिमसेल्फ. सो वॉट ही डिड, ही challenged his fear. He challenged his fear, and to overcome his fear, what he did, he went to different types of water. अलग अलग तरह की लेक्स पे गए, वो रिवर्स में गए और उन्होंने वहाँ स्विम किया. He tested himself. So this way he overcame his fear completely, and in the end he gives this statement that what one is afraid of is fear itself, and if we are able to overcome that fear, when we can achieve anything in life. कि हम किससे डरते हैं? हम बस डर से डरते हैं. और अगर हम अपने डर पे काबू पा लेते हैं, then we can achieve anything in our life. Now, that was all for this lesson. Thank you everyone.